This is part 2 of the training, and we are going to be looking into how you market your product for fast and continual profit. Now, having sourced your product and gotten it into the country from 1688, it is time for you to start making profits by selling it, and the only way you could sell your product is by actually marketing it. Now, there are different ways of marketing your product that you have gotten from 1688, and you can see them right on the screen. The very first one being the traditional lone wolf marketing strategy. Then we have the mini e-com website strategy. Then we have selling on established platforms, e-commerce platforms like Jumia, Konga, and Duty. Then we have the father of them all. You see that I've given it its own place there, and that's talking about marketing your product through Facebook, which is the main marketing strategy, and that we are going to be dwelling on a lot in this training. Now we are going to touch all the marketing strategies listed here. They are all effective. They are all very, very effective depending on how you carry them out, and I'm going to be listing them here. That's explaining them, expatiating on them, and you could pick one to concentrate on, or two, or three, or all of them, and which would make you combining all of them all together, we make you more profit, which is quite obvious. Now, the fourth one is, I will repeat again, the key, the cross of the whole marketing strategy that we are going to be dwelling on. Not that all these other ones are not important, they are all important, but you will discover that even if you pick one or two, or even these three, we still need to bounce back on this fourth one, because this fourth one is the bomb. You cannot just use it. You don't just use Facebook to market your physical products imported into the country, but you can actually use it to market any kind of products, whether physical or digital products, as you will see later on in this training. Now let's start with the very first one, talking about the traditional lone wolf marketing strategy. Now, from the name, you see, from the name alone, lone wolf means that you are doing it alone. You are doing the marketing yourself. You don't depend on anyone. You don't depend on websites, or any website, or any platform. You don't use any of the social media to market your products, but you market it yourself by going from one place to the other. We see this a lot within the country. Now, maybe as a civil servant, you have seen some persons walk into your office to market some products to you. This is the lone wolf marketing strategy. Or you're inside a vehicle, you see some persons marketing to you. Wolves generally, they move in pack, but sometimes a wolf just pulls out of the pack and it becomes a lone wolf. So if your product comes into the country, this strategy is actually very, very, very powerful. Now, if your product gets into the country, let's say you are marketing laptops, and your laptops just got into the country, or the one we have been using before now, stretch mark products, talking about creams, they just got into the country, and you are using the lone wolf marketing strategy. What do? You could stroll into the banks in your vicinity. Let's say they have 5 or 10 banks within the vicinity, or within that town they have up to like 10 banks, or within the states they have up to like 20 banks. There should be more than that in a state. Now what you do is that you move into these banks. It's just a matter of dropping a little change to the gate man, or knowing someone within the bank, and then you move in there and you market your product. I have done these things myself. I have marketed Brazilian hair in banks. You don't need to be shouting inside the banking premises. All you need to do is contact just one of the staff there, and you speak to that staff, and the product just moves around silently. Now, let's say you deal on Brazilian air or human air like I did. You bring in just 20 pieces into the bank and it goes round. You will discover that at the end of the day, either all the products have disappeared depending on the price tag or 10 of them. And when you do it in like 10 banks, you will discover that all your products would have disappeared. Now, the traditional low-wolf marketing is something that is very, 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 very powerful, and a lot of people use it and we continue to use it, and they call it direct marketing. They call it direct marketing in the traditional sense. Now, also on the traditional lone wolf marketing or direct marketing, you could take this product and you spread it out, you give it out to friends. You have marketed it to friends, and then your friends will now also go and market it and make a profit from them. So whether you have persons helping you to sell, you must first of all have to market it to them for them to buy the idea. So it's still the lone wolf marketing strategy. Now, it is the traditional lone wolf marketing strategy is not the best of the 4 listed here, and the reason is that there is no way a lone wolf will be able to get more resources compared to moving in a pack. So that's the traditional lone wolf marketing strategy for you. It's good, you could start out with that one or inculcate it into your other marketing strategy. Now, the second one is the mini income website strategy, or what I will call the niche income website strategy. Now, it simply involves setting up a website, maybe a one-page website or a mini website, and you use it to sell the product that you have gotten in. Let's say you brought in the stretch mark products. You could create a one-page website or a mini website, e-commerce website, just to sell stretch marks products. Now, you don't need to be selling stretch marks, selling iPhones, selling different products. That becomes like a portal, but you are just using that particular website to sell that one particular product. Is just a single page, a niche website. It is super powerful. Now, when you create a niche website like that, selling a single product, you can now use Facebook, which is the fourth method, to drive traffic to that particular niche website, e-commerce website that you have set up. Now, let's just have a look at how a niche website actually looks like. Now, this is a niche website that is selling men's products. If you scroll down, see, it's selling men's product that you use for shaving generally. See, short shave. That's just what this site is selling. It is a niche website. See, then you have featured products where it features it. It's clean, it's simple, it's beautiful, it's effective. And come down here, you see all the various products. Now, this is another example of a niche website selling phone gadgets generally, phone casing. Scroll down, see short by device, whether it's iPad, iPhone, or MacBook, or gadgets. So these are niche websites for you. They are also very effective, especially when backed by Facebook marketing strategy. I can't just wait for us to get into that part. Then the third strategy that is very common right now is the use of established e-commerce platforms like Jumia, Agoga, and Didi, and the two giants of them, the two big names that almost everyone knows about. That will be Jumia and Konga. I won't be dwelling much on them. If you have the material, if you have the book that accompany this video, I dwelt in details how to set everything, how to go about it, what is required of you and everything. But let's just take a look at the side. This is Jumia for you. For you to start selling on Jumia, you scroll down to the very end. Then you come here, you see sell on Jumia, you click on it, it will take you straight here. You watch the video, start selling. Then you scroll down and read the instruction, the frequently asked questions and all, and you see exactly what it takes. It's not a big deal. And most the product you see on Jumia during the you visit the site, all the products you see selling on Jumia are being sold by persons like you. And I know of persons that are raking in more than 1.5 million naira every single month just by utilizing the Jumia platform. Now I will tell you this. It takes quite some amount of money. You are going to need to put in some funds to be selling on Jumia. You don't expect to start selling on Jumia using just 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira. It is not going to work. Then for Konga, to sell on Konga, this is the Konga website. You come down here, you see sell on Konga, you click on it and it takes you straight here. Then you register. So that's how you register with this platform. For that of and click start selling now, or here start selling now, whichever one will do the job. So that's how you start selling on this platform. Go through the material, the book, the resource material talking about the book. I do it on this, both Konga, Due Day, and Jumia. How to start selling on all this platform, what is required of you, talking about fulfillment and talking about their training packages, the bonuses and other stuff that come with selling on these e-commerce portals. You are going to find a whole load of information there. I'm not going to take much time in this video dwelling on them so that we don't make this video unnecessarily long. Then okay, how do you make loads of sales with these platforms? I think that's a very, very pertinent question. See, on Jumia, Konga, and Due Day. Now, I spoke earlier on about selling each product. Say, things related to shaving stick or shaving materials, or talking about phone or electronic casings or gadgets. Now, if you really want to make money from e-commerce portals, say like Jumia, you don't just concentrate on one product alone. You buy different products, buy them cheap. Let's say 10 different categories of products. You put them up on Jumia. If persons are not buying stretch mark creams, maybe they should be buying teeth whitening products, or they will be buying eye products, or things relating to diabetes or vaginal tetanus. So you get the idea. So in the end, you will now discover which of the product is pulling in more sales. The ones that are pulling in more sales, you buy more of them. Then the ones that are not generating funds, you remove them from the store, or once you sell them off your store, you stop importing those products that are not doing well. So in essence, buy a variety of cheap, low-cost products and put them up in this e-commerce platform, and you will discover that in the end, you will make sales. Let's say it's 5 here, 3 here, but generally something is coming in every day. You create a variety for your product. So that's how you make more sales with these platforms. So you could be doing it with Jumia, you are doing it with Konga, and you are doing it with D. But the two biggest of them, we are talking about Jumia and Konga. So with this, we are going to round up this particular section. Not round up actually, because we are going to go into Facebook marketing now. That's marketing through Facebook, which is the main strategy, and we are going to take our time, and you will see how you can practically sell anything, any of your products, to the close to 200 million persons we have in Nigeria here anything is possible with Facebook marketing, as you will see. Now we are going to do these things live. You are going to see how to set up ads, how to target your audience, and how to make sure that you are targeting the right person to sell a particular product to. I am so excited. I'm so excited with this fourth part. In fact, if this is the only thing you learn from this training, talking about how to market your product through Facebook, and I'm going to relate it to digital marketing, not just marketing physical product. I mean, you can market practically anything: digital product, physical product, even services. Just go to Facebook, go through your timeline, and you see ads there, different kinds of ads on different niches, and that is what we are going to be doing. Now, if you master this, if you can even practically sell anything to anyone within the country, and you will never have any cause to say you are lacking funds ever again. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to meeting you in the next section.